Everyone, welcome to our channel Dynamic Recap. In this video, I'm going to teach you 2 easy ways of shuffling a deck of cards. So, first way of shuffling is very easy, and for that you have to hold your deck from the top side with your thumb finger on the left side and other two fingers, I mean index and the middle finger on the right side. Then with your left hand, you're gonna pluck few cards and place it on your thumb like this. Pluck few cards, place it on thumb. Means you just leave them, they will fall into your palm. Next, again few cards, again few cards, and this deck you have to pull it backside. Pluck few cards, pull this deck backside and leave these cards behind into your left palm. And here grip should be of holding these cards, or else if you just take like this and leave, they fall down. So you should have a grip in your left hand. All right, so it's like with your right hand you have to hold your decks and move forward and backward, and with your left hand you have to pluck few cards and place into your left palm. So like this you be going on until the whole deck completes. All right, so you can do it faster as you practice. And coming to the second way of shuffling a deck of cards, it's very easy. So for this you have to hold your deck of cards again with your right hand, but this time you have to place your middle two fingers on the top and thumb finger at the bottom like this, and with your index finger you have to hold your deck at back side like this. Index here, these two at the top, thumb at the bottom like this. So it looks like this, and from here with your left hand again you're gonna take few cards into the left hand, but this time with this thumb, with your left thumb, you're gonna slide few cards like this. One card, few cards like this, you're going to slide. And if you want, even you can bend this deck with your index finger slightly, slightly you can bend so that the sliding becomes easier. So after catching like this with your left hand, you can slide few cards until the whole deck finishes. You know, this way of shuffling cards can give you one advantage, that it will reverse all the cards. Yes, if you slide one card like this, and it's a long process, but if you practice it becomes easier and very fastly you can slide. Okay, so while you go on like this, and you will be left with the last card, and your last card will be at the top. So this is how you can shuffle cards in the second way. And in this video I just said two very simple ways, so that at the starting stages you no need to get very hard shufflings. So these are easy, you can practice. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, share and comment. Thank you.